When you think of Pinterest, do you think of videos? Videos started appearing on Pinterest as promoted pins and as pins from YouTube, but there are many different ways to use Pinterest to post and promote your YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote your videos on Pinterest to get more views. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 different methods of promoting your YouTube videos on Pinterest so you can choose which one works best for you. But before we get into all that, I'll first like to know in the comments area below this video if you have ever used Pinterest to promote any content online, and if so, what was your experience? Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in tips, strategies, and tools that will help you make money with your videos as an affiliate marketer, then you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get started. We all know that Google is the most used search engine in the world, followed by YouTube as the second largest search engine, which is also owned by YouTube. Pinterest is also as powerful for discovering content online with over 600 million visual searches every month. So it makes complete sense to promote your online content on Pinterest as another avenue of discovery. Now, there are 3 different ways of promoting your YouTube videos on Pinterest. I'm going to show you all the 3 ways as well as the pros and cons of the 3 different methods so you can choose which one works best for you. The first method, of course, is by using the Pinterest button under the Share tab below your video after posting the video on YouTube. So after posting your new video on YouTube, you want to click through and go to the watch page of the video. Click on the share button below the video, and from the pop-up that appears, look for the Pinterest button and click on it. That will now take you to this Pinterest page where you have to properly set up your pin. Now, here is a disadvantage of using this method. Using the Pinterest button to post your content on Pinterest will limit how you optimize your pin for high rankings on Pinterest. I've watched some video tutorials that says Pinterest pulls the video data although it doesn't show it on this page. But since it doesn't show it on this page, no one knows except Pinterest, doesn't it? So if you decide to use this method to post your videos on Pinterest, all you have to do next is select the bot you want to post your video on and post it. If you don't have bots created on your Pinterest account and you would like to learn how to do keyword research on Pinterest and use the keywords to create bots and optimize your Pinterest account, then make sure to check out the video link that pops up on the top right of this video. If you already have bots created on your Pinterest account, simply select one of the bots and save your video pin. Another disadvantage of this method is the thumbnail or the pin image. Usually on Pinterest, the long and large image pins perform much better than the small YouTube video thumbnails. However, if you don't have the time to create attractive pin images, you can just go with this method. I also use this method a lot because of limited time. But as you can see, when I have the time or on my most important videos or money making videos, I use large image pins simply because I can optimize it for higher rankings both on Pinterest and on Google, which can end up bringing in organic views for a long time to come. We'll get into that a little more deeper at the end of this video. For now, let's look at the second method, which is uploading a teaser native video on Pinterest. This is the same strategy as one of the methods I showed you on promoting your videos on Facebook. Now, here is a cool tip. Since the video thumbnails on Pinterest are animated after the videos have been posted on Pinterest, you want to use images and text so interested viewers will click through for more, which is where you have to refer them now to the main video on YouTube for more information. Take for example, say you made a video on 10 best wireless headphones. You can post a 1-minute long clip from the video about the wireless headphones, and at the end you add something like, you don't want to miss the next best 9 wireless headphones. Click the link below to check it out. You know, just use something like that. You could also use a text at the end of the video to refer viewers to the main video on YouTube. The bottom line is always to add a call to action in the 1-minute video. This is a time-consuming method, of course, but it can really pay off in terms of views to your video, since all social sites now tend to promote native videos across their platforms. Facebook does it with their Facebook Live videos, Twitter does it, and so does Pinterest. Now, how you go about uploading your teaser video pin is another important part here, since it has to do with video optimization for search, not only on Pinterest search but also on Google search. So after creating your video, simply drag and drop it here and start optimizing it. If you still need help on how to do keyword research on Pinterest, make sure to check out the video link that pops up on the top right of this video. So you want to give your video a title that includes your targeted keyword, a description, and on Pinterest you can add some keywords also here. You have up to 500 characters to use here in this area, so you want to make sure to take advantage of that because it will help you in your Google rankings. Now, here is what is important. Pinterest also gives you a feature to add an external link if your viewers want more of your teaser video. So here you want to add the video link you want to promote and select the group on your Pinterest account to post your video on. The most popular and most effective way of promoting any type of content on Pinterest is the last method we are going to look at right now. I've already shown you an example of this method, which involves using images, preferably long and large images. These type of images, because they occupy a lot of space and are designed very well, they tend to stand out easily on Pinterest. You can use the online tool called Canva to design your images. I also have a video in the cards area that will show you how to create simple but attractive long pins using Canva. Make sure to check it out if you're interested. After creating your image, just like we did with the video, drag and drop or simply upload it on Pinterest. Optimize it with a video title, descriptions, and tags. Again, just like we did with the video method, select the bot and post your pin. This method of using custom-made images, in my opinion, is the easiest and most effective way of promoting your videos on Pinterest, simply because you are uploading a native content and image and optimizing it for top rankings. Above all, the image stands out among other image sizes on Pinterest. Now, I know there are many different ways of looking for views to your videos from Pinterest, but if you're just looking for free organic views and you're just starting out, these are the best ways to promote your videos on Pinterest. Of course, Pinterest is not the only platform you can use to promote your videos to get organic free views, which is why I've created a list of platforms you can use to promote your videos to get organic free views. Make sure to check the link in the description box below this video if you are interested to get the full list of platforms. Again, don't forget to share your Pinterest promotional experience in the comments area below. And while down there, don't forget to hit the like button, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.